Hi guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Oh yes. Oh yes. 3, 2, 1. Yay. Oh, I just lost all my Robux. It's fine though. It's worth it. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's the one I needed. Precisely the one I needed. Yes! Let's go. We're finally get precise. Hi guys. I know I just got precise B. But guess who also has 1.2 thousand Robux? Once again. Anyways, let's buy this. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yay! I'm so happy. 2 mythics in the same day? Crazy. Now who should I replace? That was the hard part. I have way too many carpenters. But I have a lot of diamonds. I think I do it on ninja. Oh, but I need that speed that it gives me. So I'll do it on tap. Oh, I was joking. Who should I actually do it on though? Gifted tab. No, I'm joking. Okay. I have 3 diamond bees. Why not just use it on one? Fuzzy, let's go. Now look, that's 42 types of bees discovered. What? Fuzzy. Hey. Yo, that's crazy. I was now all bro, I literally have one of every single one of them. All I need is Vector. I think you know what I'm gonna do next. I think you do. I think you know. I think you know what I'm gonna do next.